Should you use push notifications or SMS for your next campaign? Both can reach your customers instantly, but which one is right for your marketing needs? Push notifications are messages sent through apps or websites, interactive and designed to pull users back in. SMS messages are simple text messages sent directly to a phone number. Both require opt-in, but they behave very differently. Push notifications are fast, flexible, and free to send once set up. SMS messages are shorter, cost per send, but deliver unmatched visibility. SMS messages are opened almost immediately. Push notifications are easier to ignore, but powerful when they're relevant. Use push notifications for personalized engagement, like product launches and rewards. Use text messages when urgency matters. Passwords, confirmations, delivery updates, or important alerts. The best channel depends on the message. And for many businesses, the smartest strategy is using both.